Hello, friends. Welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Hope all of you are doing good and playing these Voya games. But the current situation is not so good in terms of crypto earning, as all of you know that almost third world war has begun between Iran and Israel, but due to interference of USA, it became worsened. The situation is getting worsened day by day. So the crypto market will go down. It's quite natural. But what we can do right now, we can keep on playing these sort of games and try to get as many as airdrop through playing. But the airdrop we were doing in the past days, they are not giving us good return. So I totally switched my modus operandi into gaming scenario, right? So here I will give you some useful tips in this game, as all of you are playing this quite well for last 13 days, even in this airdrop session, and before that all of you were playing, so you all know how to play. Nothing to discuss regarding that, but few tips can improve your potential earning. First of all, if you are playing through laptop or computer, you must try to install your app into your Android or maybe iOS if you are having. So what the advantage is that X2 boost, this is not going to help you through this laptop. So if you click on that, you can see install this app and you will get the boost. As I have clicked, I am not seeing it here, but if I click on my mobile, then you can see I have clicked that 2x boost app and 2x boost ad in my mobile. So within a few seconds you will able to see that boost is available on my account, and eventually it will give you 2x earning. That is the first thing. And every day try to come here, collect whatever overnight situation has been done, and try to start all the machineries. And you can see I'm collecting these two steels now. Starting this, I'm collecting one screw. Look, it's fine. Okay, now going to the next stage, and this is very important screen. In this screen you can use your machineries according to your need. Right now I have planted or installed these copper planting machinery as well as this sand planting machinery, but you can change by clicking here. You can change the resource, and accordingly you will produce that, so it will give you some impetus in your earning, right? In the third section, you all know that whoever is having waterfall NFT, they are getting this water, but I am not having that, so I don't get those water. I have to buy water from the market, and right now I am getting that seawater after processing and clicking on that. So hopefully it will uh, give me some algae. And here you can see O2. I have collected one O2. Basically it will require two O2 to start the machine, and it will give it will produce gas, and with three gas it will produce this. What is this? A bomb might be, whatever. I am not sure what is this. And the last section is volcano section. If you you all know where you have to collect your volcanoes, or and then you have to produce your lava, and in the last section you can uh, put 8 stream of fire. You have to give fire, then you will produce lava, and with that you will produce glass. And here in the first screen, I'm coming back. In the first screen here, this is the vault, and you can claim fire, right? Every 10 to 15 minutes you will be able to claim fire, as well as water and earth. And this is the mastery section, and I have completed this screw mastery section, and now I'm claiming bonus screw 1. Nice. Now going back to dashboard, this is the main area where you will earn. Look, I have boosted my plot, and I got this. And this is the main area where your progression will be reflected, and you will go through your leaderboard, and at the end of 16 days you will be able to collect the prize, whatever prize you are eligible or entitled to get. So you will be able to collect that. Right now I have got only 4 things today. Let me check. Okay, let me collect. I usually collect all the daily things, and I used to collect one times uh, missions as well, but my friends has suggested me don't collect right now, because maybe in the coming days I will get some rare items in from shop, and maybe I'll get some epic items, so that my bonus equip bonus will increase, and then if I collect, then that overall amount will be increased. That's the reason. That's why I am not collecting those one time and social. But special section I do collect. You can see that I don't have any mission pending. And one more thing, recharge battery today. If you click on if you play with your laptop or computer, you will not be able to get this recharge battery today. You have to install your app in your mobile, right? And in the special section, we all knew that yes, day before yesterday there was a glitch that no one was able to click on that special section. And after that they gave us this yesterday they gave us some project some post that to like, and that to retweet. But somehow I got day 16 post. Today is day 13. Yes, today is Voyager day 13, but they gave us day 16 and day 18 post. So we got it, fortunately. And please do tell me that if you got the same, or you got different, or have you missed that day. Probably that was day 10, we all missed that, so they compensated with day 16 and day 18. And I am not sure what they will provide on that particular day. This is the scenario of so special section. But the main thing, if you click on equip, you can see all the inventory what you have collected through your shop. You all know that you can open your daily chest for free, 5 daily chest, and then basic chest for 100 for 1000 gems. And if you pay 50 coins, 50 dino coins, testnet dino coins, you can get 10 sturdy chest as well. And apart from that, if you come down a bit, then if you pay 15,000 coin, you are entitled to get something mythic or legendary, I guess. And if you pay 10,000 token, then you may get adamant chest. and if you pay 1 lakh token, then you may get cosmic chest, that is 3 available. Apart from that, if you pay some ron, then also you will be able to collect those. But I am not going to pay those things, but maybe in future I will try those chests, uh, ruined chest, adamant chest, if I have ever that 10,000 coin. Right now I don't have, I am only having 4,000 coin. So one thing you can try doing, that if you are having anything duplicate in your inventory like this, you may destroy and collect the collect the gems like that. If I want to ruin this, look, I have already equipped, so I can destroy. Look, if I destroy this uncommon shard, I will get 50 gems. Well, you can see there are a few things. Well, this is rare. Let's see how much I'll get if I destroy this rare. As this is already, I'm having duplicate, so I can destroy it. And this action cannot be undone, so check before you do this action. And I'm getting 350. So you can do all these with your inventory what you are having duplicate. So that was the trick. You can get bit of gems. Maybe in future, in coming days, there are 16 days left, so on the last day you will get lots of things in your inventory, and those maybe duplicate things. So try to destroy those which are not needed for your gameplay, and try to collect as many coins, as many gems possible, and try to increase in your try to increase your rank in your leaderboard, so that you will get good airdrop. And please do comment that what is your current rank and how you are going. Hopefully these tips will help you to earn a bit more. And if this really helps you, please don't forget to smack the like button, and always try to engage with our telegram channel. In our telegram channel, I do keep on posting some necessary things, whatever that comes in my mind due to during the day. So as this is, we are playing through, hopefully we will get some good amount of airdrop after this 16 days. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.